Thank you for coming to my channel. Today I have a recipe to make a concoction, and basically I'm gonna have 2 limes, have about 4 garlic cloves, and I have a pre-peeled ginger, about a few of them. So this is what you do, and before you do that, basically has a lot of medicinal values, a lot, especially in case you have like any form of cold, flu. It does help you with weight loss. It does help you with digestion and any form of inflammation that you might be suffering from. It might be a good source of your help, and also maybe it might also be able to help you with the cognitive and many other stuffs that I'm not going to mention right now, maybe later. So the first thing I'm gonna do is chop this into small slices, and I'm going to put them, make sure you wash them all, and then I'm going to dump them up in my blender. These cloves, I can just put them inside right away, and then I'll chop my lime into smaller pieces to just help my blender do the job well. And one more time with this one. Okay, so I'm gonna need to do water about, so you also need to add some water in the blender to almost close to the full. That's enough, and then that way you can blend it. So once it's done with the blending, it's ready for you to take. You can take 1 spoon of honey, organic honey, and use a strainer to get some liquid inside of your glass. Okay. So for better results, drink this concoction twice a day, when you get up in the morning and when you go to bed.